Hi guys, good morning! It's our ultimate island tour here in Hawaii. Magtutour kami whole day from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Good morning, Daddy!
Morning.
Morning, Pio! Wow! Ganda naman ang damit mo. Basa! It's raining. Punta kami ngayon ng Honolulu Zoo. Ganda ng mga puno nila. Super lalaki. So nice. Pero the weather is not so nice. Kasi whole week cloudy day. Pero at least di umuulan. Pakita ko sa inyo ang prices, guys. Ito, so general admission, $21 pa. Hala, bakit ang super pink ng flamingo?
Ikaw kinakain nila, oh.
Pero ang bocho
Kakaroon ko na lang ulit. Tatakpan ko na ulit.
Uncle!
Pop out the batteries, hop in that old vehicle, and drive through this gate. And enjoy the truck going. It looks like the zoom straight in on the gorillas. So there'll be a million different moments we don't recognize exactly where they were filming. It's like a flying list of the Goonies. Straight for a family movie night.
May or may not be from the Moose Mountain. It may or may not have just gotten unfolded with you like 3 weeks ago. And then has anyone seen
Good morning, guys! So today is May 24 or 23? May 23. Tapos today, graduation din ni Anya. Kaya maaga kami nagising kasi attend kami ng graduation niya. Pero graduation lang naman yun ng art school niya. Pero full support kami, di ba? Ngayon lang ako mag-vlog ulit kasi nung nasa Hawaii kami, hindi ako makapag-vlog. Kasi mahirap mag-vlog kapag ikaw lang mag-isa. With no trending sound. Hi guys! Ito ulam namin for today. We have avocado shake. Meron kaming bangus sardines. Sopas! Ate Anya, congratulations! Congratulations! Yo, and we're complete. Uncle is on the treadmill pa. Kala ko pupunta ngayon. Hi guys! Kain tayo! Hey! Hi! Dito lang yan. Hi! Dinner mo kay Nana? Saan? Yeah, that's right. Time check, 5 o'clock. Going to church. Today is Sunday. Kakatapos lang namin mag-mass. Tapos, ngayon, siguro kakain kami ng breakfast. Yun. So this is our typical Sunday. Magmamas kami ng 5:30 a.m. Tapos mag-breakfast kami and then we will take a nap because it's Sunday. Yay! Happy Sunday! Say hi! We're on our way to lunch. Hindi natuloy ang breakfast, kaya lunch na lang.
Ba't ito mag-hatching si Lolo?
Buying fruit. Santol and mangosteen. Si Pio. Hi, Pio! Dodo! Dito lang kami sa gilid ng road. Ano to ate, di ba? Marang?
Marang.
Season na ulit ng marang.
Marang.
Ah, nagikan kuya.
Wow.
Pero ang mangosteen season na. Hindi pagyapon.
Wow.
Dito pala sana kayo pumunta kahapon, kuya mo. Hindi ko rin alam. Ate Anya, Nana. Dito kami hanggang 31 lang sila. Lolo, ano masasabi mo, Lolo?
Good, all is good.
Daming tao. Pretty. Let's taste the food.
This is cacao water. Wala kayong dark, sir? Dark lang akin, sir.
Here na tayo.
Kapat kuya mo?
Ay, nag-coffee siya.
Ah, okay na. Baby, guys. Yun lang. Wait lang, wait lang. Ano pa man?
Ate, oh.
Hindi pa ako muna dito.
Hindi kasi hindi makapasok sa Gita.
Wala na.
Sige na ate, taste test natin. Matcha latte with Earl Grey. Infused. Ano? Hindi pa
Let's anak, let's. Ikaw lang.
Taste test.
Let's go, anak. Ay, taste test.
Hindi lasang matcha. Lasang milk tea, guys. Hindi siya lasang matcha. Yung order lang namin, ha. Baka iba naman sa order niyo. Photo booth. Another day, another photo booth. Hala, Daddy, tama yung puno nila, oh. Rambutan.
Sa gilid.
Daddy, dito po.
Okay, so for instruction lang po, meron lang po tayong 4 shots, 7 seconds po yung timer kada shots. So,
Sa drinks. Pwede yung Ace lang. Ay,
Sabi mo more. Oh, okay. Lasang ano sa gatas?
Gatas na jelly ba?
Sarap?
Awa na may anak mo pag dinidip-fried mo. Ito ba?
Ayan, big. Wrap your ass!
Anak, baka tama tayo.
Going home.
Ulan-ulan.
It's raining. Oh, hey guys, we're gonna taste the mangosteen. Pero hindi pa daw to season, di ba, Dan?
Ayan mo.
Pero masarap.
Wala pa sa merkado.
Ayoko na, Dan.
Hindi mo.
Uy, sa'yo na yan. Ayoko na. Masarap din yung santol, matamis.
Alam mo kung doon.
So that's it for our vlog. See you on the next one. Bye!
There are so many other ways to make these. Yes. Well, that's not the whole story. 18 years ago, when we still delivered you.